A group of first-time Congress MLAs in Karnataka have stepped forward with a clear demand, a place in the state cabinet ahead of the expected reshuffle. In a joint letter sent to the party's high command, which included leaders Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, the legislators have sought fair representation for new phases in the government. The letter was also addressed to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. The MLAs urged the party to induct at least 5 first-time legislators into the cabinet. Explaining their demand, the MLAs said that the people of Karnataka had elected 38 first-time members to the assembly and expected to see young and new leaders take responsibility. They pointed out that when the 34-member cabinet was formed under Siddaramaiah, not a single first-time MLA was given a ministerial post. According to them, a balance of youth and experience would strengthen governance and help the Congress prepare for a return to power in the year 2028. Meanwhile, political debate has intensified over the demand for a Dalit Chief Minister. Senior Okkaliga leader and minister K. Venkatesh firmly stated that the Chief Minister's post is not vacant, backing Siddaramaiah's leadership. He said that while the post could go to leaders from different communities in the future, including Dalit, Lingayat, Okkaliga or Kuruba, Siddaramaiah remains the Chief Minister at present. Adding to the discussion, State Home Minister G. Parameshwara accused the opposition of deliberately fueling the Dalit CM debate to distract attention from governance. He said the government is functioning smoothly and stressed that only the Congress has a record of prompting Dalit leadership to top positions. Parameshwara also clarified that budget discussion and routine administration have continued without disruption over the past 2 weeks. As calls for cabinet reshuffle grow louder, all eyes are now on the Congress High Command and whether it will make room for new phases while managing internal political balance.